There she is. Let's go talk to her.
How are you?
You guys' room. I'm good.
Oh, I didn't even need my tea.
Is all of this for
I know.
me?
Well,
How romantic.
Well, we know how you are. You know,
wanted
I'm
to
a little
test-
sensitive.
I
thirsty
wanted to
first
test
thing in
your
the morning.
resolve.
Right. I'll take it.
Well, first, this is from tastings. We'll get to that a little bit later
Okay.
on. But feel free to sample something if you
Oh,
want later.
I always feel free to
Okay.
sample.
All right.
I'll wait till
You
after
know.
the show.
I know you do.
So what's going on?
Tomorrow, Friday night, we have the Pacers versus the Utah Jazz, and I will be emceeing that night, so people should come hang out, say hello to me,
Yes.
and that will be fun. We also have the Black Pearls Fine Arts exhibit.
Oh, okay.
That's going on now through March 27th, and it's local, regional, and national artists of African descent and artwork that kind of explores their cultural backgrounds.
Oh,
So
nice.
that's going on for another month and a half about. So
Oh,
people
good.
should
Okay,
check that
plenty of time
out.
to get out there and
Plenty
see
of
that
time.
exhibit. That sounds
Yes.
good.
And then we also have a basketball camp for kids. It's the Phenom Sports Basketball Camp. It's free, and it's happening Friday and Saturday
Okay.
for kids ages 5 through 16, so you
Right.
can call the number on the screen and get the location and time.
Good. Get your little hooper
Yeah,
outside
right.
a little
Get
bit.
'em
The weather
out,
we've been
you know,
having.
yeah, the
Nice
weather
follow
is
through.
nice. Yeah, I know. I like to wait and fade away.
Do you have
how-
game
Oh.
by chance?
I might
Yeah.
have a little bit of game,
Do you?
Tracy. I
Really?
don't know. Gonna see me on the court sometime, you guys?
I think we should.
I'll talk, but I'll still see you on the
There you
court.
go.
I'll
That's
still
your
be
game.
on the court.
Admit it. That's okay.
Right. And then finally, we have City Eats the Sky, which is a really cool name
I like
for
that.
a live band performance that's happening this Saturday, February 26th. And Wish TV's own Danny Ruxton is in one of the bands, Rituals.
Rituals. Danny Ruxton. You're thinking,
cool.
which TV's Danny Ruxton? I know
like-
Angela Buckman, and I know Andy Hauser.
But
And
do you know Danny?
the gentleman in the upper second row on the right, he's our audio guy. Give me a rim shot, Danny. Danny. There you
Yeah, that's Danny.
go. He's a percussionist.
Is he a percussionist? See, I didn't know that much,
He's
but
a drummer.
yeah.
Oh, is it?
He
That's
doesn't,
cool.
doesn't just do rim shots here
Really?
when I do bad jokes, but he
Right.
can
But he
actually do a
does.
rim shot on his own kit. So
Yeah. He looks
support,
really hard
support
in that
indie style
picture, yeah.
by proxy
Yeah.
by going to that. Sounds
Yeah,
like a cool
he
gig.
does.
Yeah. So that should keep you busy. We got
That's a
4
lot.
things going on this weekend. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it'll be fun.
The Jazz, all the NBA trade stuff, like half the Jazz
Uh-huh.
is different than a week ago.
Then it was.
And Gordon Hayward
Uh-huh.
from Brownsburg and Butler is a member of the Utah Jazz. So it's kind of a homecoming
Really,
for
for
him.
him?
So, yeah.
Oh, that's
you
kinda
can,
cool.
So
I
you
didn't
can
know
root for the Pacers and him.
Just throw him in your heart.
And him.
Yeah, that's right in your heart.
You have a fine
Not the team.
statistical
Okay.
game, exactly.
Yeah,
But,
just him.
That's right. Well, it's
you're busy.
Thursday, so you know what
Yeah.
that means. Chef Tony's in.
Yeah.
Tony's in the
And he has home court advantage in our
Yes, he
kitchen.
does, doesn't
Morning,
he?
Chef.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good.